Make a great choice today with the 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, engine immobilizer, tires front all season, tires rear all season, convertible soft top, fog lamps, four-wheel disc brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.